Hello and welcome. David Bradley here from the pet room, and I have in front of me, yes, it's an 8032, and it's kind of like, I like this bigger thing. People have always said that they figure Commodore wanted to put the drives in here, and I think they're right. Now this machine is, like many, rather dirty. I'm going to take this magic eraser, run it across the nameplate. Ooh. I'm not going to do a whole bunch on this. One thing, I forgot to bring extra water. But I don't know if you can see already how much better that looks. I think I'll do just like half of the top here. Oof. It is filthy. But suddenly, things start to look a whole lot better. Yes, I will kind of do halfway across here. Ooh, that was something. There you can see. Now remember, a magic eraser. Ooh. No cleanser, just water. Oh, there seems to be more of a blemish there. And this magic eraser is getting kind of dirty. Shocking as that might be. Oh, we can do here. And it suddenly goes from gray to back to Commodore, sort of just about white. Yeah, I should have brought water. Because this, I'm going to do one swipe under here. Yeah. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Alright, so here, this was white. It's not very white anymore. Alright, there, as you can see, there's a definite difference, and that did not take long. So, let us open this machine up and have a look inside. Okay, there is the hood. And, it looks pretty clean. It looks pretty fine. Most everything is soldered in. These things happen. Let me have a look back here. Oh wait, I already feel something. I feel in the... Whoa, don't you dare. Don't you dare. I feel there is no fuse. And, I'm not sure if it hasn't been broken off, but I don't know. It's hard to I think there looks like some kind of broken something in there. Just a moment. That would not help me. Well, there's something in there. Well, a little black ring came out. Oh, well, it looks like it's not really properly affixed. Oh. And I must say, I'm not really. That's not going to do it. So I really can't get at it like that. I wonder. By the way, for those that are wondering, this indeed says on the back, it's an 8032. It is. Oh, it also has a name, Misco Data Service. I never was there, but I remember hearing that name. Now, let's just see. Can I do this safely? I don't know. Okay. I'm going to try. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's really not going to do any good. I think I need, now once again, I'm not really fixing things here, but I think I need to find a good screwdriver, of which I probably only have bunches of them around, to pull this kind of plate out. That is a message. Hang on. Come on, light. There we go. From Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. Let's see what he has to say. Let's surprise him. See if he answers. Hello, Rudy. I am recording at this moment. I'm just looking at this 8032, and it looks quite good. The one problem is the fuse thing. Maybe it took a hit and it's kind of squirrely. So I have to think about like there's that area in the back where the power supply is, where it's got the plug-in thing and the fuse thing. I've never actually extracted one of those, but it looks like that to give this a try, that's what I'll have to do. You're cutting out. Oh. I think you have to move your phone to a better location. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'll send you a message. Basically, I have fuse trouble. I can't hear you. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'll call you back. Okay. I'll call you back. Okay. Let me check my internet settings. Oh, I see. Yes, I'm on. I need to switch my Wi-Fi thing. Let's see if Rudy is going to call back. If this makes things better. All right, we'll try. How is that? Oh, hang on. Hello, sorry, how's that? Sorry? How is that? Much better. Okay, yeah, I looked and I was on the wrong, Wi-Fi node thing. Oh, okay. Anyway, the fuse thing looks like it has been broken. Or at least it's come undone. So that thing in the back where the power switch and the plug is, I think I have to unscrew that and investigate. Yes, it'd be best to do that because you don't want to. You want a fuse in there, right? Well, I mean, it's not going to do anything without a fuse. Well, no, it won't. But I mean, if you don't put a fuse or you put a piece of wire in there, no. Make more problems. So you want to get that looked at first. Yes, this machine actually looks quite lovely inside. And I just did a little bit of a cleaning on some of the outside. It wasn't terrible. Just, the dust of the ages. Anyway, I will... Does this board have just an 8032 or is it a super pad? No, it's just actually, it says on the front 8032. It is actually, it's one of the ones that has the thick nameplate, not the skinny little thing. Oh, nice. So very nice. and it came up nicely after I gave it a little wipe with the magic eraser. But the board does look good. Most everything is, of course, soldered in, but it doesn't doesn't look like much going. Anyway, I don't know what happened to this fuse thing, and I will investigate. I'm as well at the moment. I'm not really doing the fixing things. I'm just exploring things, and there's one more machine left in the garage, and it I think might be a Fat 40, maybe. I think. But you know what? As I was moving the last bunch of boxes so I could get at it, I didn't find more pets, but definitely there was a stack of Commodore boxes. I think 64s and 1541s. I think I didn't look very carefully, and it was kind of dark. But I looked and I thought, oh, there's more, but not pets. But I would suspect I would not have put the empty boxes in there. I suspect there are things in the boxes.
Well, more fun for the exploring.
Oh yes, always fun. Always more exploring.
And we shall all enjoy the videos you're producing.
Oh, I'm working on it. Anyway, I will. You know what? This one here. See, tonight is the T-Pug Fix It night.
Right.
And they're going to be online and in person. So maybe what I'll do is I'll set this one aside, and tonight I'll see what I can do about getting into the fuse thing and seeing what I can do if it's like if it's just come off or the screw came off and it's just lying inside or what it is, and then maybe see if this one fires up. I have no.
It could be just the end that goes on the fuse. It could be just broken off. But you can buy the actual fuse pretty cheap.
Oh yeah. No. It's just I just you know what? I'll have to look and see on like well, thankfully I have things to compare it to, but I I don't know if anything is broken. It just looks like, certainly the fuse thing is gone, and I think they also kind of had a nut around them, or kind of a thing to hold them in. But I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, I'll know better.
Yes, they do. It's like a nut, like a washer.
Yeah.
That you screw on to hold it in place. Yeah.
Yep. I'll know better when I get the thing kind of unscrewed and.
Excellent.
But of course I have the odd one around that I can refer to.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have lots, so that's not a problem.
Yeah. Anyway, it would be nice to see if this one is actually, because it looks inside it looks quite wonderful. All shiny and gleaming.
Is it a universal board?
You ask such good questions. Hang on. The question is it a universal board? Oh, I'm just moving it to get it turned around so I can see inside. And I'm just rubbing off where the thing would be. I need to get my glasses. Just a second. Ooh. Boy, it is mighty small print. Hang on. I'm going to put on the flashlight here. Universal Dynamic Pet Assembly number 8032089. So yes,
excellent.
It is the universal. It is, and
very good.
It looks, yeah, it looks really good. Now, does it work? I don't know. We'll see. We will see.
Once you get the fuse part figured out and working again, then you can just fire up and see what she does.
Yes. Very good. Well, I don't want to keep you from your work that you're doing there.
Okay, thank you.
I know you're hard at work. Anyway, I will keep you posted. Yeah. Well, there's something going live today. I don't remember what it is now. Probably something about a pet. Imagine that.
No, I think it's your Commodore.
Sorry, it's what? Oh, I think it might be looking through another. I think it might be looking through another box or something. I forget.
Right.
I forget, but there will be Silver Label stuff coming. I did ship that one away,
Excellent.
and anyway, but I think this is the second last pet from the garage, and so maybe I
One
will.
more.
Maybe one more that I know of. But I didn't know there was a stack of other stuff in there too.
Well, you might just find another pet.
No, I
Never
don't.
know.
No. This stuff's all in the boxes, so I think it's just six. Well, it could be VIC 20, 64, 1541 stuff. I just looked as I was moving these other boxes, and I said, "Oh my!
Hope you find some more manuals.
Oh, there's always more books. Always more books." All right, I will. I might get the other one out and have a look at it, and then leave this one for the pet. The T-Pug Fix It Night.
Oh, another thing you could do, Dave,
Yeah.
is if you have a pet that's really, bad and rusty or whatever, you can always pull the fuse out of that one and put it into this one.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm not worried about boring a fuse from something. It's just right now I can't even get at where I would stick the fuse in because it's kind of fallen off inside.
Yeah, I believe you have to pull out the transformer
Oh.
to get in there to put the new fuse.
Oh, good.
It's just 4 screws, right?
Yeah, sure. Just 4 screws. Yeah. 4 rusty old screws. Yeah. They don't look too bad. You know what? I've never had to take out the transformer and diddle around like this before, but it's worth it.
First time for everything.
Indeed. There comes actually, I've never had to take the monitor off of one of the like the actual undo the screws and pop off the whole thing. Yeah. I've never had to.
Neither have I.
But
Neither have I.
it'll happen though.
If you have a case that's rusty and you want to paint it, then yeah, you'll be able. You should do that.
Oh yeah. No, that'd be.
If it's good,
strip it all down.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one that's kind of rusty, but boy, the sad thing is right now, the sticker on the front, it's beautiful. Right. It's beautiful. Absolutely perfect.
If you're gonna paint it, you can always cover it up and paint it around it, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Just I'm afraid whatever I put over it will then damage that. But anyway, we'll see. One step at a time. I've been setting them on top of each other on the floor in here, like just 2 on top of, and I'm running out of floor space. But the end is near. So I don't know if you'll be up for the T-Pug thing. It starts at 7:30, which I suspect is it might conflict with your work schedule.
It just might.
Yes. Anyway, it will be on Zoom, and I don't know all that's gonna.
Yeah, I will be connecting through Zoom if I can.
Okay. Well, I'll keep you posted. All right. Have a good day. All right. Bye. You do. Okay. So there's a little round ring of a thing. Anyway, as I was saying, I suspect I will set this machine aside, and you probably won't see this in time. But there was a T-Pug Fix It Night tonight. Anyway, if this was a simpler thing, I would see about that, but it's not. So, I think that is enough for now, I think. So we'll see you again in the pet room. Bye for now.